Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and I am just getting started getting this old diffuser going to make the house smell really good. And I was using Goddess, which has been one of my favorite scents that I got from Nature's Garden. There's a couple of different ones I like, and I only got the 1 fluid ounces because I wanted to try them out before I bought the bigger ones. Love Goddess. I do plan on buying in a bigger bottle. And then there was another one. It was Love something. I don't remember. I didn't even keep the bottle. But that one was one of my other favorites. And then I also bought a pumpkin spice pancake. It's okay. It's not my favorite. But I am using the linen spray that I made last week. I may have to make this like weekly because I use it all the time to spray on the couch, my curtains, the blankets, just to constantly refresh my house and make it smell so much better because I do have 4 dogs and 3 teenagers and a husband. So I use a lot of this to make the house smell good. And I keep my old diffusers going. But next week, I do plan on getting my daughter's bedroom done. She wanted to go through things and get rid of stuff that she didn't want before I went in there and got it cleaned up and organized and got things rearranged. So I gave her last week to get that done. So this week coming up, I am getting that tackled and getting it organized and rearranged. And also, I was having to wait till my husband got paid because I still need to buy 2 twin mattresses for it and get them sheets and comforters for the bed as well. So, all that is coming up. But right here, I am using the deodorizer that I made, which is baking soda, and I used some fragrance oil, and I'm just going to sprinkle that all up on the rug just to deodorize it. And I also wanted to use something that wasn't harmful for my dogs. So
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Although I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if...
So now I'm getting started in the dining room, and the girls were doing a little arts and craft, and I told them to put something down on my kitchen table so they didn't get paint on it. They were making a memory box, but they were also making hoodies with like their handprints on them on the back of it. and stuff. So I just made them to put the trash bag down so they didn't get paint on my kitchen table.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
And I am needing to replace that light bulb. It keeps flickering. It is about to go out. So I need to make a list of some of the things I need to pick up payday, and light bulbs is one of them. And then I bought this gun cabinet for my husband, and I couldn't figure out how to open the bottom part. Didn't dawn on me that it needed to be unlocked. That the cabinet, the whole thing can be locked and everything. So I really like that. Even though I have teenagers, they know, rifle safety and like all that. But still, I like to keep everything locked up and away. But I'm just going to finish getting this table cleaned off so I can get it wiped down. And the basket with the rags in it, they are clean. They just got to get folded up and put away. And my daughter dyed them all pink because she washed one of my husband's red mechanic rags in with them. So now all of it's pink.
No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes.
Every time I get these countertops cleared off and don't have nothing else up there, I add more crap. That cappuccino machine, I don't even use it. My husband got it, and I've only used it twice, and it sits there. So that's off to Goodwill here pretty soon, just to get it off the counter. But right here, I'm just scrubbing out my sink, and I am using the Scrub Daddy paste. and little scrubber just to give it a good scrubbing.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room.
I can't remember if I told y'all or not, but I am not decorating for Halloween this year at all. I just wasn't feeling it. So I'm just gonna keep all of my fall decor up, and then probably maybe mid-October I might start decorating for Christmas, because I don't know. But the reason why I just don't, I don't know. It's a struggle bus over here because it has been so hot. Usually it's already, by like 75, 70s here where we are at in Louisiana, but it has been like 85, 90 degrees. So it's just been, even putting the fall decor up has been a little hard because it has just been so hot. And I just haven't been feeling it. So, I don't know. But Halloween for sure, I am not decorating at all this year. I just haven't felt like I just haven't felt it.
It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.
And this whole corner right here with those shelves, I have got to get that all cleaned out. It is literally a catch-all. It's a small purple toolbox my husband bought me. I was gonna get one of these shelves cleared out so I can put it up there. And then like the little garden basket and stuff. But I don't know. That section has just been a total catch-all. So I really need to get it cleaned out and organized again. I need to figure out where to put some of the other stuff that is up here on this countertop, because it stays cluttered. Even like this top part, it's a catch-all. Eventually what I want to do is have all of this top part cut off and just completely flush with this cabinet, and then I want to get a butcher's block countertop to put right there. That is what I eventually want to do. There is a lot I want to do to this house. It's just going to take time and money. So everything I want to get done, I had planned on doing it over the summer, but for everyone that is new, we had a really bad storm that came through over the summer and destroyed our roof, our fence, and so much to the house that we spent all of our money fixing the house back. So maybe next summer I'll be able to get everything done that I want to do, because this section right here, I do want to close that off. I don't want those shelves. I just want to close it off and be done with it. But like I said, hopefully next summer, I'll be able to get more done that I actually want to do to the house. I want to get the walls painted and just so much. But I hope you guys had a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to y'all next week. Bye.